In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Facebook Marketplace alerts. By the end, you'll have your Marketplace notifications set so you don't miss messages from sellers or important updates about your activity. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access all features. Layouts can vary slightly depending on your device and app version, but the steps are the same. From the home screen, look to the upper right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. This is your quick gateway to different parts of Facebook. Next, head into Marketplace. You can do this either by tapping Marketplace in the menu you just opened, or by tapping the small shopfront icon at the top of your home screen if you see it there. Either route takes you to the same place. Once you're in Marketplace, tap your profile in the upper right. This opens your Marketplace profile and the controls you need to manage how you get notified. Scroll down until you see the Settings option. This is where Facebook groups all the Marketplace preferences. When you see Settings, tap it to open more options. Inside Settings, tap Notifications. These are Marketplace-specific notifications, separate from your general Facebook alerts, and they control what you hear about buying and selling activity. Now tap Message Sellers. This section manages alerts related to conversations with sellers. Make sure the setting labeled Always On is enabled. Turning this on ensures you get notified right away when you send a message to a seller or when a seller replies, so you can act fast on good deals. After that, go back one level to the notifications screen and tap Updates. Updates include alerts about your Marketplace activity, like changes or information related to items you're interacting with. Here, make sure everything is turned on. Keeping these enabled helps you stay informed without needing to check Marketplace constantly. That's it for the setup. To quickly recap the path, open Facebook, go to the menu, enter Marketplace, tap your profile, scroll to Settings, choose Notifications, then set Message Sellers to Always On and turn on everything under Updates. If you notice you're getting too many alerts later, you can come back and fine-tune these toggles to match your preferences. And if notifications don't appear at all, double-check your phone's system notification settings to ensure Facebook is allowed to send alerts. You're all set. With these Marketplace alerts enabled, you'll catch messages and updates right away, helping you move quickly on the items you care about. Thanks for watching, and happy bargain hunting.